name Ice Cream Shop.
Welcome.
So let's do
Hello.
this.
I would like to try this dessert.
You get it? Now let's do it.
Ice cream cone.
First we have to make the ice cream. Look at all this hot. You hot and two fruits.
Candy.
Candy is one other bubble that is candy. So then
Turn the handle to grind the ingredients into powder.
so we have done the powder. No, I'm doing video. So guys, yeah, as always.
Boom. The ice cream machine is started.
That's what it's
Candy.
Green candy with white.
Turn the handle to grind the ingredients into powder.
We have done the other one with powder. More to put. Two more to put.
Boom. The ice cream has been mixed successfully. Watermelon.
Watermelon slices. Slice. Magican. You see magican? I'm gonna put this up. You see? It's a magic. That's a blended.
Let's make the fruit juice.
Fruit juice, we get it. So, let's put it. It's time for one more. And it's orange.
The ice cream machine is started. Orange.
I told you it's orange. So then you slice us like the watermelon. Done with the orange. Then you blend it like the watermelon.
Let's make the fruit juice.
Fruit juice, see again? So this is the part. So we are going to pour it in.
Boom! The ice cream has been mixed successfully.
So therefore making the cookie cone. We're going to spread it all around. We have spread it. We are waiting. Now it's done. And it's pouring hard. Let's make the cone.
Roll the pancake into a cone.
And which color?
Let's blow on the cone to make it tasty and crispy. Crispy sauce.
So I'm going to do the rainbow. Really, rainbow. Yeah. Okay. So the last one is the ice cream. You need to put the ice cream. And enough. Orange. Yeah. That's all. Orange. And do the orange. I kind of want to be orange.
Top of the orange.
No.
That's all. The purple.
I don't know. Guys, this is not working. Yes.
Just roll.
This is really freezing. No. So freezing. My hand is frozen. Nowhere. It's frozen.
Guys, it's froze, so
So guys.
guys, this
Welcome.
is gonna be our second
Excuse me, can I try this dessert?
So pick the best one.
Yeah.
Don't pick the donut.
Why?
would you pick the donut? You could have picked the ice cream.
So guys, I'm doing the donut.
Butter cube.
Cute. So guys, I'm just going to do the donut. And this, put it in. This. Oh,
Flour.
flour.
Milk. Sugar. Butter cube.
But cute. Let's mix it. Fancy yellow dough.
Cover with the plastic wrap so that the dough could ferment quickly.
Yeah. Doing this, guys.
It just growed.
Yeah, it glowed, guys. Really
The dough will be fluffier and more delicious after venting.
more delicious. Yeah, it's so more delicious. Ah, hey,
What did I do?
I'm just making a video.
Yeah, everybody knows.
Squeeze. Pull out a small piece of dough.
Before.
I was.
Okay. So guys, shape the shape. A heart shape. And the second shape. The silly flower shape. And a little bit close to flower place.
Time to fry it. It's fried, not
Fried.
cook it.
I'm just giving frying.
Where's the spatula?
Now it's ready.
Be careful not to burn your hand.
For the other one. Done. And the other one.
What flavor of donut do you like?
So this,
Pink flavor? The strawberry flavor?
huh?
What's this?
Grape flavor.
Yeah, grape flavor. Let's see lemon flavor. Oh, this is watermelon flavor. It's watermelon flavor.
Watermelon flavor.
Yeah.
I know it's watermelon
Let's
flavor.
charge the phone.
9%.
Yeah.
So we're done it.
Now for the lemon.
Lemon sour. It's so sour.
Or the
Lemon is
banana
so
flavor.
sour.
Or the banana flavor.
Yeah.
Let's decorate the donut.
Add some ingredients and double the taste.
Rainbow sprinkle.
Add it to that one too, right?
I know.
Okay, what's this? Milk! Milk!
Yeah.
Candy!
Candy. Ooh. Yeah, it's all done.
What's this?
Star with sprinkle. Star with sprinkle.
Yeah, sweet sprinkles. What's this?
Candy.
Candy. No, I meant to pick that one.
Also, candy
wait.
all around.
This looks like M&M's. Put it there. Yeah,
All done.
you can put it on this one. Yeah. Okay, that's all done. The wrap on this,
This one. And this.
the bird on this one, the rainbow on that one, and the gifts on that one. Art on this one, the giraffe on that one, the gift on this one, and
The chick.
wait, no, this on that one. Check. We're all done.
Yeah, we are all done.
Wow, sweet and delicious
Yum,
donuts
yum,
are
yum.
ready.
So delicious. We make it delicious.
Alright, guys, we're gonna end the video. Oh my god, I wanted to end the video. That's when this ad came.
Hey, Originals! I see you blazing a trail. You're one of a kind. Through and through. And every original needs a sidekick. Tamagotchi, the original virtual reality pet.
So,
Hey,
guys,
guys, we're gonna end this video right here. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications to not miss awesome videos like this. Bye, guys.